welcome back to my place. Today I'm going to make a cool little dish using absolutely beautiful shiitake mushrooms. Let me show you how I make it. Jeez! Okay, that didn't work very well, did it? Flatten it off, chop and tail. Cool little trick, salt the knife and it stops it from sticking. Rosemary. Gorgeous thyme. Extra virgin olive oil. Go in with the whole mushrooms and move them around in the oil. You want to make sure the pan's not too hot. And season early on too. They're like a sponge, so whatever we put in there, the flavor's going to come through and reabsorb. My favorite tool in the world, a palette knife. I don't think I could cook without this little guy. When we add garlic, we want to make sure the pan's not too hot, otherwise it's going to burn. My other favorite tool is a spoon. Simple as that. In with the chopped herbs. Red one. Gee. Now, I hope I don't set the smoke alarm off. Or rather, the fire alarm off where I live. Now we're going to crank up the temperature and we're going to get rid of all that red wine and reduce it right down. Just going to tip them over a little bit. So now we're going to reduce that red wine right down. And the other day when I tried to make this, I used all the red wine and then I was like, let's add some more. So I did. And it just kind of like gave it a second absorption, which I think worked quite well. Now we're going to go in with the next little bit of red wine just to finish it off. Give it a quick wipe down. Something I've learned in the kitchen is to try be as clean as possible. I really struggle to do that, but once you keep that in mind all the time, your cooking is just so much better and weirdly enough cleaner. Pop those over again. Let that red wine reduce again, a bit more seasoning. Wine is almost cooked out. Trouble with wearing glasses, I can't see a thing. Make sure that the tops are cooked as well. My other absolute favorite thing, butter. I use salted butter because, well, I just love salt. And is it too much? Nah, never. So the butter and the mushrooms will emulsify and create kind of like the sauce. Oh, so exciting. And now we're done. Should I taste one? I think so. Huh. That's real hot. That was good. It's so juicy. Right. What we're going to do now is plate. Yeah, I quite like that. It looks quite nice. And we put a little bit of the sauces and the herbs on top. Squeeze of lemon juice. So, it's now time to eat one. Well, actually, let's not talk anymore. I have way too many words. I'm going to just be quiet. What I love about that is the mushroom is like a complete sponge and it's taken all that red wine, all those herbs, the garlic. This is absolutely delicious. I think 3 of these little mushrooms in a little plate is enough because it's quite bold, it's quite rich. It's delicious. I just can't stop eating them. Thanks guys for coming along. I'm still recording. This is delicious.